pursuit of turning around this municipality's financial status and service delivery failures, the Metro has acknowledged that prolonged periods of mismanagement of funds and lack of infrastructure maintenance have left the municipality running on a budget deficit. The city now wants to attract investors to address bulk sanitation and water refurbishment and the rehabilitation of roads and energy infrastructure. It believes a resilient infrastructure will sustain investment and economic growth.
Starting with the same infrastructure that we are faced with and making sure that we look into bankable economic development in the field of industries and manufacturing. We are a province, and in particular a metro, made out of educational hub, which in itself can produce the best in terms of the knowledge economy, in vocational training. We do have some infrastructure that were there before that are no longer in good use. We are now saying it's about time that we must work to revamp them.
The Metro gathered experts from various sectors to come up with ideas and opportunities to pursue.
So on the roads, like I said, the biggest enemy of roads is water and sewer. So we are also developing a program, hence the professionals. They were emphasizing that on roads, let's get professional people to do the job so that they understand that it is a requirement for them to do quality jobs. We'll be launching some roads next week. We have appointed contractors trying to respond bit by bit into the whole scenario. The issue of electricity, the aging infrastructure is a problem.
Experts believe some of the challenges can be turned into opportunities.
I'll give you one typical example. In one of the municipal plants, in the Marcel Sport drinking water plant, there is no laboratory. So municipality can come up with investors to say, come and build a lab, on-site lab for us, to test our water quality. So the water quality from the municipal, from that plant can be tested, but the investor can actually commercialize the lab and also open it up to the city, to the community, for people to come and do their water quality analysis. So the investors makes money, the municipality also makes money. Fulfill its responsibility in that way. The Metro's location could work in its favor for solar energy generation.
So if we have some type of solar system, for example, at smaller scale, we can consume everything locally. And if we can put into the grid, if there is capacity, it can go into all the direction. But what we should know that is quite easy for us to first look at the consumer. What type of consumer we have? Residential, commercial, or industrial, what are their needs? So if it's residential, because the network is not yet 100%, so we can have some local generation.
Some of the challenges that we face in municipality, especially from the civil engineering perspective, is that municipalities need to ensure that there is capacity. Capacity, I mean that we need to have engineers that are registered with EXA to be able to manage projects around the municipality. So this is very important. But as the institution, what we do, we provide training. There is a SABC PDP, which is a professional development program whereby we assist municipalities, we mentor engineers within the municipalities to register with the Engineering Council of South Africa. And
while the city intensifies efforts to get funds to improve service delivery through the upcoming Investment Summit, it has also submitted a business plan amounting to 7.3 billion rand for road rehabilitation for the National Treasury Medium-Term Expenditure Framework. Makhala Masiding, SABC News, Bloemfontein.